actually powers Velix, our core infrastructure. We've built 5 intelligent infrastructure models, each serving a critical function. First, smart liquidity engine. So this is the brain of our system. The smart liquidity engine optimizes how liquidity flows through the ecosystem. It improves capital efficiency and allows flexible liquidity management. So think of it as a smart traffic controller, making sure everything moves smoothly and nothing gets stuck. Second would be our treasury system. The treasury system securely manages ecosystem reserves. This is the vault, the safety net. It supports long-term growth and development by ensuring that your funds are properly managed and allocated. And here is the key. It's transparent. The community can see how treasury funds are being used. So third, we have the reward engine. So this is what makes Velix so exciting for participants. The reward engine delivers sustainable rewards through a balanced and scalable distribution model. We're not just giving away tokens irresponsibly. We're building a system that can sustain reward for the long term. Four, we have community network. So this connects users worldwide and powers ecosystems growth through active participation. So without a strong community, none of this works. That's why I've built the community network to incentivize and encourage engagement. And last but not least, future ecosystem. So this is where all the products come together. Velix Wallet, Velix Dex, Velix Game, and the VFox token. All connected, all working together. Continuous innovation is baked into this module, meaning we're always looking for new ways and value. These 5 modules work together like the engine of a high-performance car. Each component is essential, and when they work in harmony, the results are extraordinary. So, you might be thinking, Ben, there are so many projects out there. Why should I choose Velix? Well, that's a great question, and let me give you my answer. Why choose Velix? Because we're building something that had never been built before. An integrated digital liquidity infrastructure that connects real utility, sustainable economics, a global community, multiple income sources, and long-term vision. Most projects focus on one thing. Maybe they have a token, maybe they have a wallet, maybe they have a game, but none of them bring all of this together in one connected ecosystem. So Velix is different. We're building a complete infrastructure that can support multiple products and multiple use cases. This isn't just a one-trick pony. This is a diversified ecosystem that can weather market volatility and continue to grow. And we're doing it with transparency, security, and a community-first approach. That's why you should choose Velix. So this slide gives you a visual representation of the entire Velix ecosystem. So look at how everything connects. At the center of the VFox token, the utility meme token that powers everything. So around it, you have the Velix Dex, our decentralized exchange, the Velix wallet, and that is your gateway to the ecosystem. Velix Game, engaging entertainment with rewards, community rewards, this is incentives for participation, staking, earn passive income, liquidity pools, so support the ecosystem and earn fees. Everything is interconnected The wallet connects to the DEX connects to the game connects to the community, and the VFox token flows through it all. So this isn't a collection of disconnected products. This is a unified ecosystem designed to create value at every touch point. Now, let's talk about something that's absolutely critical: security. So, we are building Velix with a long term vision where security comes first. Preparing for a Certic K security audit reflects our commitment to delivering a stronger, safer, and more reliable ecosystem for our global community. So, why Certic? So Certic is one of the most respected blockchain security firms in the entire world. They've audited some of the biggest names in crypto, such as Binance, Solana, Polygon, and many more. The audits are gold standard. So by undergoing a Certic audit, we're saying to the community, we have nothing to hide. We take your security seriously, we're committed to the best practices, and we're building for the long term. The audit review will review our system and it will review our smart contracts, our treasury system, our reward engine, and the security protocols. So when we pass this audit, and we will, it will give everyone confidence that Velix is built on a secure foundation. So building trust through security, that is not just a tagline, and that's our commitment. Let's talk about something we call community capital. So if you can see, what is community capital? It's our belief that the value of any project isn't just its technology, it's in its community. The people who believe in the vision, who participate in the ecosystem, who spread the word and bring others in. That's why we've structured Velix to reward community participation. When you join Velix, you're not just a user, you're a part of the ecosystem. Your involvement directly contributes to the growth and success of the project. As the ecosystem grows, so do the opportunities for everyone involved. This is the power of community capital. Collective effort multiplied by the technology equals something extraordinary. Now, I want to walk you through our roadmap. So I see 6 key phases laid out here. I want to give you a sneak peek of what's coming. So the first phase would be the foundation. So that would be community building, brand establishment, and initial partnerships. The second phase is going to be product development. So this is the VFox token creation, Velix wallet development, and Velix DEX development. The third phase would be our launch phase. So VFox airdrop coming. I have some words for that. Public launch of products, community onboarding. The fourth phase would be the expansion phase, and that's where Velix game launches, additional utility features, and the ecosystem partnerships. So the fifth phase would be the scale. So global expansion, enhanced liquidity solutions, and advanced features. And last but not least, the sixth phase is maturity. So full ecosystem integration, sustainable growth, and ongoing innovation. So we're currently in phase 1 and phase 2, working on the foundation and product development. The VFox airdrop is coming very soon, and that's going to be the catalyst that brings the community together. Our long-term vision. So I want to take a moment to really emphasize this. So our vision is to build a global digital liquidity ecosystem where technology, liquidity, and the real utility empowers millions through one connected infrastructure. So let me break that down into four pillars. So the smart liquidity, that is efficient capital management. So we use the intelligent algorithms to manage liquidity across the ecosystem. This isn't just about having money. It's about using it wisely to maximize returns and minimize risks. Second, we have real utility, wallet, DEX, gaming, and VFox. So we're not just creating another token with no use case. VFox has real utility across multiple products, and you can use it in game, trade it on the DEX, store it in the wallet, and earn rewards with it. Third would be the global community. So this is built for the worldwide adoption. So this isn't a regional project. We're building for the world. Users from every continent will be able to participate in the Velix ecosystem. Fourth would be sustainable growth. That is long-term ecosystem expansion. So we're not here for a quick pump and dump. We're building for years of sustainable growth. That means making smart decisions today that will pay dividends tomorrow. Let me quickly show you which wallets you can use with Velix. So we support all the major wallets. Trust Wallet, one of the most popular and user-friendly options. MetaMask, the industry standard for DeFi. Wallet Connect, connect your preferred wallet seamlessly. Coinbase Wallet, trusted by millions, and more coming soon. So the goal is to make it as easy as possible for anyone to join the Velix ecosystem. Whether you're using Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or any compatible wallet, you'll be able to access all our products seamlessly. And remember, we support both BP20 and TRC20 networks for USDT deposits, so giving you the flexibility in how you participate. I want to be very clear about our business plan. Velix is built on a sustainable business model. That means revenue generation. We earn through multiple streams: DEX trading fees, gaming revenue, wallet services, and many more. Community rewards. We share a significant portion of revenue with the community. Long-term sustainability. We reinvest in growth and development. Transparent operations. Everything is trackable and visible. This isn't a charity. It's a business. And for a business to thrive, it needs to generate revenue and manage that revenue responsibly. The difference is that at Velix, the community shares in the success. So when we win, you also win. When you win, we also win. It's a symbolic relationship that creates sustainable value for everyone. Now, let me talk about the packages. So we believe everyone should be able to participate, regardless of their budget. That's why we've designed packages starting from just $10. The concept is simple. Daily rewards up to 0.6%. You can earn rewards every single day based on your package. The more you invest, the higher the rewards. Safe and secure, trusted system. So your funds are managed securely through our transparent treasury system. Fast growth, compounding income. So you have the option to compound your rewards, accelerating your growth over time. Community power. Grow together, earn together. When the community grows, everyone benefits and it's a collective effort. Principal withdrawal is anytime. So you can withdraw your principal at any time with a 20% deduction, and you're never locked in forever. Compounding power. Earn more every day. Compound your rewards to maximize your returns. Flexible packages start from just $10. Whether you have $10 or 10,000, there's a package for you. Global community, one team, one vision. We're all in this together.